Welcome to the testing world. So previously we have seen string handling methods. Now I'll show you comparison method, or I'll say string comparison method. So now I'll show you how we can compare two strings by case sensitive and case insensitive. So let me move to Eclipse, and here I'm going to write two strings. I'll just copy this and create one more string. And here I'm just giving different strings. So I'm just making testing in capital. Now I want to compare two strings. For two string comparison, they have given a method with the name equals. So I'm using like if s dot equals s1. So this equal method is going to return either true or false. So if these two strings are equal, just print same, else print not same. So what should be the result now? In this case, the output will be not same. Why? Because the case is different somewhere. Let me execute. We are getting not same. So this equals method is going to return either true or false, and it is a case sensitive comparison. Okay, if I say I want to perform case insensitive comparison, so there is one more method with the name equals ignore case. As the name says, it is going to ignore case and comparing two strings. So as we run, this time we are getting same because the content is same, case is different. So we can compare two strings. For that we have two methods. One is equals and other one is equals ignore case. Okay, now I ask a very simple question. I want to compare two strings and it should be case insensitive comparison, but I don't want to use equals ignore case. So the question is, I want to compare two strings. No need to use ignore case method, but still I want to compare two strings by ignoring case. How we can do that? It's very simple, like we can use other methods. Here we have a method to uppercase. So what I'm doing, I'm taking my first string to the uppercase and second string also in uppercase. So what I'm doing, take the first string to the uppercase, compare with the second string which is in the uppercase. So now we are not using equals ignore case, but still we are getting output same because we have used alternate approach. So now we have gone through a lot of methods and we can use it wherever required as per understanding. So as of now, I'm taking both string into uppercase. You can take it to the lowercase as well. So now we have seen two methods for comparing the string. Okay, I will show you two more methods for comparing two strings. One is compare to and other one is compare to ignore case. Then what's the difference between the equals and compare to? Equals method always return true or false, but this compare to return 0 or non-zero value. So if two strings are compared, it will return 0. So I'm saying whatever the result of it, if it is 0, then it is same, else it is not same. So let me execute and it shows not same. In the same way, because as of now the case is different, in the same way they have a method with the name compare to ignore case. So now by the name you can easily understand it will ignore the case and going to compare two strings. Again, now we are getting same. So here we have seen how we can compare two strings, and total we have 4 methods. Okay, now a question which normally asked in interview, why don't we use double equal to for comparison of string? Because on other places we have seen in condition handling, wherever you want to compare we are using double equal to, but here why don't we use double equal to? Answer is that double equal to is used for data comparison, but here we are not having data. These are the objects. S is an object and S1 is also an object, and we are doing object comparison. For object comparison we have different methods that we have gone through here. So here we have seen how we can compare two strings by using different methods. That's all we have for this session. Thanks for watching this video.